Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make two shapes same size using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and click on the selection download and select annotation, and I will make these two shapes same size. Drag your mouse cursor and select two of this shape and click right button and select here size option and select both height and width as the same size. Also, I'll make these two shapes same size and this one as both. And this right side properties box, here you will find the height and width, and that means same size. And see this. In this way, you can make your shape same size. And finally, select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.